Hello dear friends, today I decided to change the muffler rubber bands.
There are thin elastic bands and these thick elastic bands. Two thick elastic bands should be.
I think new rubber rings will better. Mount the muffler, need two thick rubber rings. This and this, and of course two thin rubber rings on the end of the pipe. Well, so very good. I think new rubber rings will be than old rubber rings. To install the exhaust system, you will need 4 thick rubber rings and 2 thin rubber rings, and there are the numbers. Thick rubber rings 9, 10, and need 4 rings, 4 rings number 9, and 26 number, his number original 666407, and 26 number 666407 from original catalog parts. I have used VOLVO rubber rings before, and now I buy rubber rings from FA1 number from VOLVO 255873, and on the FA1 I can see this number 255873, and the number from FA1 553903, Bosal, made in Poland, and FA1 Fisher Automotive PL, made in Poland. And the thin rubber rings have different number. I can see number 54 on next page. 54. You need 2 rings, rubber ring number 676184, and this number from FA1 003955, and Bosal number 255878, and vintage, of course. You see, different companies produce rubber rings to muffler. FA1, vintage, Bosal, of course, and as you see, the packages are different. I will open the packages to show that the rings are different. Thin rubber rings and his number. Thick rubber rings for silencers. These and these points for hitting, and thin rubber rings need 2 thin rubber rings special for exhaust pipe. In this point number 54. On the shops you can buy these rings. And you see his number. And the rings for the middle muffler. also fits for the VOLVO 240 series. So, to mount the muffler, you need thick and thin rubber rings.